Entron Controls, a full-line manufacturer of resistance welding controls, presents the EN6001 Weld Control, the 21st century successor to the EN1000, re-engineered with digital welding technology. Comparatively, the EN6001 control has more standard features, more dedicated inputs and outputs, and a full LCD interface. The EN6001 is highly versatile with its range of cabinet options, offering sizes and configurations to fit into any installation. For example, the adaptable new S Plus cabinet features dual mount end plates that enables the control to be mounted on either side of the welder or used on a benchtop, and the V-door design adds unimpeded access to install and service the control. Several optional accessory switches are available, including program lockout, error reset, and weld no weld. With primary or secondary monitoring, constant current is a key feature of the EN6001 control and can precisely regulate the current for highly consistent welds. The EN6001 stores up to 64 weld programs and is one of the most user-friendly control panels in the industry. Setting up a weld schedule with the control panel is simple and straightforward. For faster backup and cloning of weld schedules, the EN6001 features integrated USB support as standard. The EN6001 can go a step further with the optional Ethernet IP card available as a factory configuration or in a kit for field installation. With the Ethernet IP card, you can create or modify weld schedules and control the operation of the EN6001 with Entron's and Link software, or through other devices such as a PLC. For more information about Entron's range of products, to order your EN6001 welding control, contact your Resistance Welding machine builder.